Welcome to our presentation, Preserving Electronics versus Recycling, Finding the Right Balance. Technology evolves quickly, and with every new generation of devices, millions of older electronics are replaced. This constant cycle contributes to the growing challenge of electronic waste. Creating a sustainable approach to managing electronics requires more than just recycling. It also involves preserving devices for as long as possible. By combining preservation and responsible recycling, we can reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect the environment. Electronic waste is one of the fastest-growing waste streams worldwide. Devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and televisions are frequently replaced as technology improves. While these products contain valuable materials like copper, gold, and rare earth elements that can be recovered through recycling, they may also contain hazardous substances that require careful handling. Addressing the e-waste challenge means reducing unnecessary disposal while ensuring devices are recycled responsibly when they reach the end of their lifespan. Preserving electronics means extending the life of devices so they remain functional for as long as possible. When electronics stay in use longer, fewer new devices need to be manufactured, which helps conserve raw materials and energy. Production of electronics involves mining, processing materials, and complex manufacturing processes, all of which have environmental impacts. Keeping devices operational longer helps reduce these impacts and supports a more sustainable use of technology. Consumers can extend the life of their electronics through simple maintenance and repair practices. Replacing batteries, repairing damaged screens, and upgrading components can restore functionality without requiring a new device. Using protective accessories such as cases and screen protectors can prevent damage, while proper charging habits and software updates help maintain performance. Donating or reselling functional electronics also keeps devices in use longer and prevents them from becoming unnecessary waste. Even with proper care, electronics eventually reach a point where they can no longer be preserved. Hardware failures, outdated software compatibility, or severe physical damage may make continued use impossible. At that stage, responsible recycling becomes essential. Recycling allows valuable metals, plastics, and other materials to be recovered and reused, while ensuring that hazardous substances are handled safely and kept out of landfills. Preserving electronics offers both environmental and economic benefits. Extending the life of devices reduces the need for manufacturing new products, which saves energy and raw materials. Studies show that producing new electronics often generates far more carbon emissions than continuing to use an existing device for several years. Preservation can also save consumers money, since repairing or upgrading a device is usually less expensive than purchasing a new one. Responsible recycling plays a crucial role when electronics can no longer be used. Recycling helps recover valuable resources such as copper, aluminum, and precious metals that can be used to manufacture new devices. It also prevents hazardous materials from contaminating soil and water. Licensed recyclers use specialized processes to safely dismantle electronics and recover reusable materials, helping reduce the environmental impact of discarded devices. Sustainable electronics management requires balancing preservation and recycling. Preservation keeps devices in circulation longer, reducing the amount of waste generated. Recycling ensures that once devices reach the end of their lifespan, their materials can be recovered and reused. By choosing repair before replacement and recycling when necessary, consumers can help reduce the overall environmental impact of electronic waste. Building a sustainable future depends on changing how society views electronics. Instead of treating devices as disposable, consumers can recognize their value and extend their use whenever possible. Governments, manufacturers, and communities can also support this shift by encouraging repair programs, right-to-repair initiatives, and accessible recycling services. Together, these efforts help create a culture of responsible technology use. If you have electronics that can no longer be repaired or reused, responsible recycling is the next important step. Working with licensed recyclers ensures devices are processed safely, valuable materials are recovered, and hazardous components are handled properly. Reach us by phone, email, or our website. Repair when possible, recycle when necessary. Both are essential steps toward a more sustainable electronics future.